Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the UFS 3.0 which is present in the Realme X2 Pro versus the Realme X device which has a UFS 2.0. So a lot of viewers are asking me whether the Chinese version of 8GB and 128GB model as the UFS 3.0 or not. So in this video, you will get to know guys. So first let me show you the specifications which is present in the GSM arena. So here you can clearly see here. So UFS 3.0 which is present in the 128 and 256GB variant, and in the 64GB variant you will only get the UFS 2.1, not the 3.0 version. So there is a difference between the models, so it's better to buy the 128GB and 250GB models. So let me show you the what variant right now I'm using in this video. So here you can see 8GB and 128GB variant from the Realme X2 Pro device, and here the Realme X device 6GB and 64GB variant. So both the phones are Chinese versions, not the Indian variant. So I downloaded the applications, two applications which we can use to test the read and write speeds in both the phones. So we can compare side by side what is the speed rates in the Realme X2 Pro and the Realme X device. So before starting the test, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel guys, SciTech Guru. I'll be posting a lot of information videos and a lot of comparison videos and different tests. So I have uploaded more than 100 videos on the Realme X as well. If you want to know more about the Realme X device, check the links in description for the playlist. So same thing for the Realme X2 Pro as well. I just know I crossed the 50 videos after doing the test on the Realme X2 Pro device. So you can check the links in description for the playlist of both the phones. So this application called cross platform, which will check the read and write speeds. So let me start the test right now. So I selected the default 1GB of read and write test. So this application will simulate the copy and write speeds of 1GB, how much time it takes. So we can compare the side-by-side transfer rates between the Realme X and the X2 Pro device. So that is having the UFS 3.0, will it make any difference or not? We can easily see here. So even I'll be doing the comparison video with the Redmi K20 Pro as well. So testing the UFS 3.0 versus the Redmi K20 phone. So we can compare the scores as well. So even I'll be doing the comparison with the OnePlus 7 Pro as well. So whereas the OnePlus 7 Pro has got same 3.0. So we can compare side by side 3.0 both phones and check which phone is better. So as you can see, the Realme X2 Pro, the test has been successfully completed. So because it has the little bit faster memory, read and write memories, so that's why the test took only a little bit of time, not much time. So here you can compare side by side easily. So first is a 140 Mbps and here you got 90 Mbps, and second 814 Mbps and 327 Mbps, and third is 8.8 Mbps and here you got 5 Mbps, and 14 and 9. So in every scenario you can get a close to double speed in the Realme X2 Pro guys. So when compared with the Realme X device, so maybe 70 or double speeds you can get 70% or 80% increased speeds. So comparing with the UFS 2.0 versus the UFS 3.0. So this is a test which I used for one application. So let me try with the other application as well, so which we can just compare both the applications side by side. So let me start the test again, and here you can see which device will complete the test first. So as you can see, having the UFS 3.0, you can see the speeds, testing speed is very much better when compared with the Realme X device, which takes a little bit of less time when compared with the Realme X device. So having the UFS 3.0 is very advantage in the Realme X2 Pro guys. So trust me, it is not present in the Redmi K20 Pro, but the Realme X2 Pro has this advantage which will be very helpful. As you can see, the test has already completed in the Realme X2 Pro device. So this is the advantage of having the higher UFS data transfer speeds. So here you can compare side by side test clearly. So you can see in every area the Realme X2 Pro is a clear winner. So this is a all-out difference between both the phones guys, and a lot of viewers are asking me whether the X2 Pro has a UFS 3.0 or not. This is a video for you all. So yes, the Chinese version of the 8GB and 128GB variant as the UFS 3.0 version. This video proves clearly all the speeds. So for more interesting videos, subscribe to my channel, guys. Don't forget to check the playlist in the description. So to know more in detail reviews about both the phones, you'll get a clear idea so which phone to choose. So that's it, guys. For more videos, stay tuned. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.